Hi everyone! Today is a duel of the soba noodles, tangy and creamy versus fragrant and savory. Both easy to make and comes together in 10 minutes. So, let me show you how. First, let's talk about soba. Soba noodles are Japanese noodles made of buckwheat flour. Buckwheat contains many essential amino acids and antioxidants, and it's easily digestible. Depending on the brand, you'll find soba noodles made with anywhere between 40 to 100% buckwheat. To cook the noodles, boil according to package directions. I check for doneness a minute or two before to make sure it doesn't overcook. Then remove and put into cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. Then drain to remove excess water. For our salads, I'm using finely sliced cucumbers, finely sliced carrots, some sliced green onions, roughly chopped cilantro, blanched bean sprouts, and for the spice lovers, red Thai chilies. Let's make the first sauce. The scallion oil sauce starts with scallions or green onions and some sliced garlic. It also has light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and salt. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, slowly fry the scallions and garlic with oil. Stir frequently to make sure everything is frying evenly. Once fried golden and dried, remove the onions and garlic and add in the sauce mixture. Cook together to combine the flavors and the sauce is done. Let's toss the salad together. 1 portion of soba noodles, bean sprouts, cucumbers, and more fresh scallions. Then add about 4 tablespoons of the scallion oil sauce and toss together to combine. The fragrant and savory sauce works really well with the fresh crunchy veggies and chewy soba noodles. It's a substantial meal but feels light at the same time. The next sauce starts with sesame paste. Add your light soy sauce 1 spoon at a time and mix together with the sesame paste. Doing it this way will make sure your sesame paste doesn't clump together and seize up. Then squeeze in lemon or lime juice, maple syrup, garlic, sesame oil, and salt. Mix and the sauce is done. Again, to 1 portion of soba, add carrots, cucumbers, cilantro, and for a spicy kick, Thai chilies. Drizzle over all the sauce and toss everything together. I love this one because it's creamy and tangy and seriously good eats. Soba noodles are natural best friends with the sesame flavors. And just like the scallion oil noodles, it fills me up without weighing me down. It's really hard to choose between these two cold soba noodle dishes because they're both delicious, both refreshing, and both great healthy meal ideas. I hope you can give them a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.